See, it has opened. So the first step to take is to create my data. Okay, I need data for me to be able to create a chart. So let's assume that I have a school made up of people in different classes, males to be specific. Okay, so I want to represent them in a chart. So I can have a heading like first column, double click there, class, then another heading is number of males. You can use your own, anything you like to create this graph, graph, but here I'm using this sample, so I have to expand this. Okay, I need to expand this so that everything will be accommodated. Okay, so let me make it both by selecting the cell and then tapping on the report display option, then select both. Okay, that's to show that these are headings. So I have different classes. Double click there. Class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. Okay, let me just stop here. Then on the number of males in each of these classes. Okay, let's assume A has 40, B has 35, C has 20, D has let's say 15, and E has the highest. Let's say 55. Okay, this is my data. Okay, the class and the number of males in each of these classes. Okay, now I have to highlight this data. Tap on the first cell, then drag towards the right and then down. So you can see how I'm doing it. So I have selected my data. This is the data I'm going to represent in my chart. So tap on the ribbon display options, that is on this arrow pointing up by the right. Okay, that's the ribbon display options button. Then the chart command is in insert tab. By default we are placed on hold tab, so I have to change this tab to insert. Tap on the home, then select insert tab. You can see we are already on the insert tab. So we scroll to look for chart. See chart here, then tap on the chart. Here we select the type of chart we want to create. Okay, in this sample I will be creating column chart. Let's use column chart, okay, or bar chart, but let's just work with column chart. So tap on column. These are start samples. Which one am I going to use here? Okay, let me go with this one in category 1. I like the design. Okay, as you can see, our chart has been started, but for you to view it well, I have to minimize and then expand the chart. Okay, hold on. Okay. I'm working on the chart so that I can see it well. Alright, drag and drop. We already have our chart in this discussion. Let me open it again So that is our chart. You can see that if I swipe towards the right or left, you see it fully. Okay, now I have gotten a clear picture of it. So you can see our chart is beautiful. It looks great. So that is how you can create charts on Excel Mobile.